take a look at Dometic as a whole, people traditionally know us for our refrigerators or coolers. If you take a step back and look at, I guess, Dometic in the marine industry, all of those products are used, but we have a really extensive range, I guess, of really quite technical product, from toilet systems, air conditioning systems, and our world-leading electric steering systems as well. So we have brands under Dometic such as SeaStar, Sierra. So yeah, we've got a really broad range of product, both in the marine industry and really in all segments. SeaStar have been considered the industry leaders for marine steering for quite some time. Ever since, mechanical steering, innovating then into hydraulic steering, and now we're really innovating in the industry, being the only company offering a complete electric steering system. So when we look at that range, we've got our premium level electric steering, which is known as Optimus. With Optimus, you can integrate joysticks and integrate with the whole system on the boat. We also have now the what we're calling the Dometic XPA, so the Xtreme Power Assist. So this is a power assist upgrade for a mechanically steered boat. It's basically your entry-level electric steering system. So with this, we have the mechanical cable running the electric actuator here. What that allows us to do is steer the boat electrically, but if we were to lose power, we retain a mechanical backup for the system as well. So this is our Optimus electric steering system. So end to end, this is completely electric. No mechanical cables and no hydraulics in this system. So we've got the electronic helm that would be at the dash, our color display here, and then the completely electric actuator. What this allows us to do is independently control each engine on a multiple outboard boat, and also gives us a wide range of configurability as well for low and high speed applications. So right now, we've got this set very, very responsively for low speed applications, particularly, if you're docking or coming onto a trailer. But as we increase the speed, we can increase the helm resistance and also slow down the lock-to-lock ratio of the helm. So that'll give you more sort of precise control at those lower speeds, and then safer operating at the higher speeds also. So we have a pretty extensive ride and handling range, including steering like we've seen, trim tab systems, and also jack plates. What we've sort of done with our trim tab system here is we've taken a conventional electric end-to-end trim tab system, and we've added our intuitive dial controller here. So this sort of takes the guesswork out of using trim tabs. Traditionally, trim tabs have been on rocker switches, one controlling each trim tab independently. With this, what we do is we take both actuators into the one controller, and we control it all here. So if I push this top button, that's our bow down button. So we can adjust pitch independently, and then we can also adjust roll. So as we adjust roll, we're also going to maintain that pitch position we've set. With this, we've also got a favorites mode. So most boats tend to run a certain sort of way. So you can change that favorites mode at any point in time. Just hold that button for a few seconds. Might be loaded up heavy one day. Moving on to our more advanced system, the adaptive trim tab system. We introduce CAN connectivity with that, so we integrate with MFDs on the boat and also the engines on the boat. So we bring things in like our whole shot mode. So if we were to press this and then take off on the boat, the tabs are going to deploy for a whole shot. So that's going to create lift at the stern of the boat. And once we reach cruising speeds, it's going to retract to a preset cruising position there. So that sort of allows the boat to get the best performance without having to think too much about what you're doing. The boat's taking control there. We put that into reverse as well, because we've got that integration. Those tabs are going to retract also.